Troll here. Today we are going to be going to a bonfire night. I know it's tomorrow, but we are doing it today, guys. But it's going to get uploaded on bonfire night. So like, subscribe, and I'm going to do my hair. Guys, that was a crap click. But I done my hair. I'm going to go to a bonfire night. Also, Spain vlog number 3 might be out by the time this gets uploaded. Sorry it ain't in order, guys, but I haven't got enough storage or time to upload them in order, so yeah, it's just gonna have to be bonfire night midway through October or November or whatever, whenever I go. But yeah, I'm gonna go now, so like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys when we are at bonfire night. Guys, I'm also going to Looking's Head for the fireplace, so if you're going there, comment down in below. And also, guys, I've made a new account for my second channel. At the moment I'm just messing about with it, but yeah, I'm going to be making a new second channel, guys, for vlogs, I think, or gaming videos, or whatever. Just comment down below what you want it to be for. And yeah, so we'll finally go to the bonfire.
If you go with the family, it's going to be £40, but it's about you. It's an effort to go. I want to get all this time. Quite like that.